GlamFam. So today I am super excited because today we get to play with some new products from Juvias Place. So right now I've already done my base foundation and I used the Juvias Place stick foundation in Luxor. And I've set all of that and then did a light highlight and contouring. So the products we get to play with today are these 4 palettes. Ooh, how amazing! How amazing! Let's open up the berries first. This is the Berries by Juvias palette. Ooh, I'm so excited. When you open it up, this is what it looks like. Let's take this film off. Oh my gosh, look at that pink. Ooh, plum. And then there's this really cool duochrome shade. It shifts from like an orange to like a cranberry, pinkish. Ooh, can you guys see that? That's pretty. And then we have the lighter pink in the collection. It's like kind of like a flamingo pink. A little corally, the darker magenta. So this one is the bright pink. Ooh, oh my gosh, that's beautiful. And this one is another duochrome, and it's like a shift from a dark reddish orange to like a bright copper orange. It's actually super pretty. So here are all of the colors in the Berries palette. Then we're gonna go into the Nudes by Juvias. So this is what the palette looks like. And then we open this up, and these are the shades. Ooh, super pretty. This is the first gold color on the top. Oh, that is a very unique gold. And then we have the next shade, which is this cream light, little orangey. And then the next one is the shimmer. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that, guys. That is, oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. The darker color. It's like a mustardy brown. I absolutely love. The next shimmer shade, which is a darker, more nude, kind of bronzy shade. And then the last one, this shade, which is another matte shade. It is a little bit more orangey than the first light one, if you guys can see that. That was the Nudes by Juvias. We are gonna move on to the Violets. This is the Violets by Juvias. This is what the palette looks like. And then this is what it looks like when you open it up. Some beautiful purples here. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. So the first top row. Ooh, ooh. The first one is the dark purple. Ooh, that is rich. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that's gonna be nice to use. And then we have the shimmer shade. Ooh, guys. Oh, love that. And then another shimmer shade. This is a darker, more royal purple, when the first one was more of like an eggplant. We have the light lilac color. Ooh, that is so pretty. And then we have the shimmer purple, which is, oh my gosh, so bright. And then the last one is this shimmer lilac color. Look at that, guys. Look at those shades. That is the shades in the Violets. And then the last palette that I'm super excited about, actually. This is the Chocolates by Juvias. This is what it looks like. This is so pretty. The first one is the top brown color. Ooh, wow guys, that was one swatch. Wow, that's a really good swatch. Okay, and then this is just like a true dark brown. The next one is this shimmer brown, which is super pretty too. It's more of a bronzy brown. And then the next one I think is the more warm brown. Yep, this is more of a warm matte brown. Very shimmery shade, more of a bronzy brown. A little bit more gold tone than the other one. And then we have this lighter, kind of orangey, like a sandy brown. And then the last one is, I think, the warmest brown in the palette. Yep, it is. This is more of a warm tone brown, more so than this one, which is super pretty and would be really good for everyday wear. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!